The General Register Office for England and Wales, gro.gov.uk, is the website, and this is one I'm sure you have used in the past to order birth, marriage and death certificates, 1837 up to the present day. In October 2016, the GRO released an index for the first time, an index of deaths. In searching for deaths on this index, we have similar options to searching for births. We can search for the surname at death, the first and second forenames at death. We can also search for the gender, the age at death, when the death was registered, where the death was registered, and the GRO index numbers and data. But again, remember those search techniques I explained for births. Proceed with caution. Think about who may have informed on the death of your ancestor. If it's a close relation, such as a wife or brother or sister, they're more likely to be accurate in the information such as name and age. If it's someone distantly related or someone who was running the workhouse where your ancestor passed away, they will be less accurate in the information they give to the authorities, and therefore the index will be less accurate for your ancestor as well. So enjoy these indexes, access them, get used to using them, play around with them, maybe search on some information you know already to get a feel for the index, and then go ahead and search for new ancestors or find details of ancestors that you haven't pinned down so far. These indexes are free to use and are a fabulous resource. What stories might you find in your family history?